Hi friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and simply delete friends in the Snapchat app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes, and also write comments after watching this video. Well friends, let's get into this topic. First of all, open the Snapchat app. In the top left corner, click on your profile picture. Then, when you get to your profile, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Friends section and tap My Friends. Now you will need to select the person from your friends list that you would like to delete. Click on it and hold it down. And here select from the menu where you will have an option that is called Manage Friendships. Next, as you can see here, it's going to give you a few options of what you can do with the person, and you'll need to select Delete Friend. And just confirm your action. And as you can see, the person was instantly removed from your friends list. So that's the very simple and quick way you can delete friends on the Snapchat app. I hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.